In this video, I'll show the InDesign script swatch names. The script labels color patches with the name of the swatch assigned to each. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. The script works on an existing document. Here I have a layout of color patches and empty text frames that I've already set up. The text is on one layer, and the color square is on another. For the script to work correctly, these have to be the same number of elements across and down. Anything not a color patch or its text must be on other layers. This headline, for example, is on a third layer. The text frames don't have to be empty. Whatever their contents, it is replaced. It's a good idea to have a paragraph style applied to the text frames. Then it's easy to adjust the font and size later. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, Swatch Names. Double-click to run it. The interface has two drop-down lists, one to select the layer of color patches, another to select the layer of text frames. Layer 1 with the headline we'll ignore. Click OK to begin. The script looks for all rectangles on the selected layer, then all text frames. The elements are sorted by page, then across and down. For each rectangle, the nearby text frame is updated to the rectangle's fill color swatch name. I'll pull out the swatches panel, then zoom in to confirm some of these. As you can see, each patch is labeled with the correct swatch name. Now suppose a few colors are changed. Run the script again, and the text is replaced. And there we have the updated swatch names. This layout is one big page, like a poster. The script also works for multi-page documents. Also, in this document, the color patches and text are on the same layer. This works so long as the text frames are really text frames. If they're rectangles, the script confuses them for color patches. This time, select the same layer for both. And there are correct swatch names for color patches spanning pages. The third example demonstrates that text frames don't have to be below the patches. Here the text frames are to the right. As long as the color patches and text frames are arranged in a consistent grid, it works. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.